Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to loop video here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Looping a video in Canva is a simple process that is a great way to create engaging content for presentations, social media, or any other project where you want the video to play continuously. Once you are logged in here in your account in Canva, I want you to click on the design that you're working with. If you haven't already, these are some of the templates that you can choose and work with. For example, this template right here. Click on the customize this template. And you would be forwarded to the canvas itself. Now here, we're going to try to loop this entire video. I'm going to click on upload and I'm going to put our deep laughs thumbnail here. Okay, so basically when you click on this play button right here, all right, we wanted to play it continuously. All right, now for us to be able to do that, all we're gonna do is now select the video itself. There's gonna be an option that says playback. I want you to click on it. Now it says play on repeat. Okay, click that and you would be able to, of course, play that continuously. Now click the presentation right here to make sure that it's fit with our design, especially if you're presenting directly from Canva. When you click the present button in the top right corner, select the autoplay option, which will automatically loop the presentation or including the video. All right. Now keep in mind that very long videos may not create a seamless looping effect, so ensure your video is of an appropriate length for intended loop. Now, if you wanted to adjust any of this, all you're gonna do is add another page. You can also add another video right here where you can extend the loop. For example, this one, maximize this image all the way to the top. And similarly to what we did earlier, we're going to click on uploads. Click this at the back. Click on playback. Click on repeat. And that's that. Let's try to play it here. All right. Now, once you're happy with this looping video here in your Canva design, all I'm gonna do now is click on close, click on share, download as an MP4 or a GIF, or if you wanted to share this, you might want to click the copy link right here. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.